Okay, so frequently asked question tayo. Most of the time, tinatanong sa akin kung magkano ba yung maximum deposit na pwede nilang i-deposit sa bangko from Forex to their bank accounts na hindi maka-question or mafa-flag ng AMLA. By the way, ang AMLA is Anti-Money Laundering Act. Na normally, nire-regulate po ito ng mga bangko because they don't want money na galing sa mga unlawful activities. Kaya po siya tinawag laundering, naglalaba, naglilinis ng pera. And the banks don't want that. So ngayon, if you have earned 1 million in Forex and you want to withdraw that, ang tanong is, paano kung ma-freeze yung account ko and ma-flag as AMLA? Normally, ma-flag lang po yung account mo as suspicious transaction report kapag hindi commensurate yung transaction. Or kapag hindi usual yung transaction mo na yun. So say for example, when you open that account, nag-fill out ka, and then ang nilagay mo, you were a student. Tapos hindi mo na in-update yung account mo na yun. So ngayon, ang alam ng bangko, estudyante ka lang. At nanggagaling yung funds mo from your allowance. Diba, normally, may nilalagay tayo doon magkano yung ine-expect mo na transaction regularly. So kapag ang nilagay mo lang doon is from 10,000 to 20,000, tapos bigla ka nag-deposit ng milyon doon, automatic, magpa-flag na po yan sa bangko. Because hindi po commensurate yung nilagay mong detalye dun sa bangko kasi sabi mo, estudyante ka lang, bakit ka may pinasok ng 1 milyon? Or say for example, sinabi mo doon, ang iyong trabaho is janitor and you are earning 8,000 to 10,000 pesos. Tapos, naglagay ka bigla doon ng 1 million without updating them na lumalaki na pala yung kita mo through Forex. So ngayon, hindi po commensurate yung type ng trabaho mo na nasa record or data ng bangko compared doon sa transaction mo ngayon. Now, if the bank knows na you are earning 500,000, 1 million, 5 million, then definitely there's no question asked. They will allow you to transact as much as you want, as long as commensurate dun sa kung anong nasa database nila.